Up first, a call this evening for the country's business operators to offer greater incentives to customers to do their transactions online. It follows 2 deadly heists by gunmen in St. Catherine. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Moving large sums of physical cash has become increasingly dangerous for citizens and financial institutions. The 2 recent attacks on security guards in Portmore St. Catherine are still fresh in the minds of many Jamaicans. For some stakeholders, those deadly attacks reinforce the need for Jamaica to become a cashless society.
Nearly all Jamaicans have a phone or a smartphone. You can use a smartphone as your wallet. You don't need to carry around a wallet. My hope is that before long, nobody, when they ask me for money, I say, if you don't have Jamdex, I can't give you anything. Right? And I really hope, when you see the difficulty in transferring money, the danger in transferring money, that more Jamaicans will sign on to Jamdex and start using the digital currency.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck accepts the preference by Jamaicans to use physical cash is a cultural issue that will take time to overcome. Therefore, he wants businesses to incentivize online transactions.
And I'm going to urge business places generally to give discount to people who pay with Jamdex.
Mr. Chuck made the comments while speaking to justices of the peace in Clarendon, many of them members of the clergy. And he argued that a cashless society may also help faith-based institutions and urged pastors to encourage members of their congregation to get with.
And I'm going to be encouraging the churches to get rid of the collection plate. And so even if you're not in church, you can send your donation or your tithe.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.